GeoTegrity is the premier OEM manufacturer of sustainable high-quality disposable food service and food packaging products. In 1992, we were founded as a technology firm focused on the development and manufacture of plant expanded beyond developing only machine technology and began manufacturing our own line of sustainable tableware products with our own machines. Nowadays, we are producing more than 180 tons of Bagasse Tableware per day, with more than 200 machines. Our factory is ISO, BRC, NSF, SUDEX, and BSCI certified. Our products meet BPI, OK Compost, LFGB, and EU standard. Our product line now includes molded fiber plate, molded fiber bowl, molded fiber clamshell box, molded fiber tray, and molded fiber cup and molded cup lids. With a strong innovation and technology focus, GeoTegrity obtains in-house design, prototype development, and mold production. We also offer various printing, barrier, and structural technologies that enhance product performance. We have over 30 years' experience exporting to diverse markets and have built strong relationships with customers worldwide, exporting around 300 containers of sustainable products every month to over 80 countries across Asia, Europe, America, and the Middle East, and so on. Warmly welcome domestic and foreign customers to